Hi guys, it's Gina. I am going to create a short video to show you how to copy the homework assignments that I've created for Math 92. The first thing you want to do is get into WebAssign, and in the upper left hand corner you're going to click on Create Course. This should give you a couple of options, and you want to take the second option, which is to copy assignments. And you should see the one that I've created, the Math 92 copy course. Make sure you grab the one for spring 2018. And then you're going to type in a title for your class. Don't worry about this being precise. You can change this later. And then you want to make sure that you select that the students will enroll with a class key, which you'll get later. Unfortunately, it makes you go through this whole situation here, picking the start date. Make sure the start date is the first date of class, because this will allow the students to have that 2-week grace period, and you want it to be from the first day that your class is. You also need to put this, the time that the class meets. What the system is going to do is map for you the days from the homework assignments into the schedule that you have, but you can make changes to that as you need. Now, the most important part is down here at the bottom, where you need to make sure that you select enable the personal study plan. That'll give students more options for homework, and then you have to certify that we're using this textbook. This very bottom part, for some reason, all of the selections are exactly the opposite of the way that we want them. So unclick everything that is clicked and make sure that the second box only is the one that you check. And then hit Create Course, and it should copy all of the homeworks for you. So wait for just a second while this is saving. And then you should see all of the homework assignments like this, and you can very easily click on this edit button, and it'll allow you to edit the homework assignment, change the problems if you'd like, and most importantly, the reschedule assignments here will allow you to change the due dates pretty easily so that you can match that up with your particular schedule for the semester. All right, if you have questions, send me an email, and good luck with this.